Welcome to Terra Naturals. Today in this video, let us explore the making of beetroot powder and beetroot oil. Beetroot oil and beetroot powder are rich in antioxidants, vitamins and minerals, helping to brighten skin, improve blood circulation, boost collagen production and promote overall skin and hair health. Let's get started. I have taken 1 kg of beetroot. Wash the beetroot and grate the beetroot like this. Sun dry the grated beetroot for a day. After 1 day, let it dry at room temperature for 3 to 4 days. Make sure the water content in the beetroot is gone. Cover the beetroot with tissue paper. After that, place it in the oven for 5 minutes until it becomes crispy. Grind it in a mixer and sieve the powder using a muslin cloth to get a fine texture. Beetroot powder enhances mehendi with a rich reddish tint, adds natural color and nourishment to lip care products, provides a gentle tint and skin benefits in soaps, boosts radiance in creams, and serves as a vibrant, nutritious ingredient in cooking. Now let us explore the making of beetroot oil. Take required amount of beetroot powder in a glass bottle and add required amount of coconut oil. You can replace the coconut oil with olive oil also. Keep this oil in a sunlight for 2 to 4 weeks, shaking occasionally. This is the cold infusion method. If you don't want to keep the oil in sunlight, then you can go with hot infusion method. For hot infusion method, double boil the oil for 2 to 3 hours and let it cool, strain and store it. Both methods extract beneficial properties from herbs into the oil for cosmetic, medicinal or culinary use. Once give a try and leave your feedback. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, like my channel, share with your friends and subscribe for more new videos.